People panic before thinking. Fear spreads faster than information. Chaos clouds judgment. Every sound spikes anxiety. Your heart races without warning. Your chest tightens. Eyes dart to every movement. The mind searches for meaning. The body reacts instinctively. Some freeze entirely. Some overreact to small triggers. Others pretend calm. Observation becomes survival. Breathing anchors your nervous system. Micro-actions matter more than grand gestures. Decision-making feels heavier. Every choice carries consequence. Stress rewires thought loops. People unconsciously mimic behavior. Your calm influences the crowd. Confusion creates opportunity for awareness. Pattern recognition becomes crucial. Micro-behaviors reveal intent. Emotional reactions dictate outcomes. Hasty decisions amplify chaos. Measured patience restores order. Silence communicates more than speech. Your perception guides micro-strategies. Every small action matters. The environment shapes reactions. Some thrive in crises. Some crumble quietly. Confidence can stabilize the group. Fear can spread like wildfire. Observation beats assumption. Awareness protects mental clarity. Emotional intelligence guides choices. Logic competes with instinct. Patterns repeat across situations. Preparation enhances adaptability. Micro-decisions ripple into consequences. Every gesture influences perception. Subtle authority is more powerful than loud commands. Calm spreads faster than panic. Stress hormones affect rationality. Small adjustments prevent disaster. Empathy guides strategic action. Observation replaces impulsivity. Intentional responses shift dynamics. Clarity emerges amidst uncertainty. Crowds amplify emotion. Individual composure stabilizes outcomes. Every pause communicates meaning. Micro-actions influence behavior. Reaction time determines control. Anchored focus restores order. Emotional regulation prevents mistakes. Consistency builds subtle authority. Leadership is silent, yet felt. Your calm reassures others. Observation becomes second nature. Patterns are predictable under pressure. Your mind filters chaos from signal. Emotional cues indicate hidden motives. Understanding behavior saves resources. Guidance can be subtle, not forceful. Micro-actions create larger impact. Awareness strengthens influence. Grounded focus increases survival. Decision-making becomes strategic. You respond without overreacting. Your behavior models stability. Confidence restores clarity. Every small action matters. Your observation informs choice. Anchor yourself in the present. Micro-actions shift group dynamics. Calm spreads silently. Awareness prevents manipulation. Intentional behavior dominates instinct. Crisis reveals true character. Preparation outperforms luck. Observation outweighs assumption. Empathy enhances strategic influence. Consistency maintains calm. Subtlety wins over force. Every micro-action has consequences. Mental clarity is the ultimate tool. Emotional composure guides. Perception. Decision-making strengthens under pressure. Every pause communicates authority. Every deliberate action has weight. Clarity trumps confusion. Micro-behavior sets tone. Awareness shifts dynamics. Observation informs every step. Calm presence stabilizes outcomes. Small actions produce large effects. Intentional thinking leads to mastery. Decision-making improves continuously. You lead without speaking. Influence spreads without force. Every choice demonstrates authority. Prepared minds guide uncertain ones. Awareness transforms chaos into control. Observation strengthens subtle influence. Calm dominates panic. Every action is purposeful. Micro-decisions dictate survival. You remain grounded, aware, and steady. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share to spread awareness about human behavior under crisis.